Hairstyles. Today I have Avery with me, and she wants to do straight across bangs. So before she had a really thick bang, and they've obviously grown out. So what she wants to do is grow a little bit of that out. So, I mean, she still wants, she wants it back, still back a ways, but she wants to grow some of those out. And she wants them to be a lot thinner. So what I'm going to do is I just parted that, and I'm going to take this hair and just clip that back. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, now remember, after you cut these, I like to cut them dry, especially because she wants them thinned, so it's not so thick. So I like to do them dry so I can see what they're going to do. Okay, so I pull down, but then I kind of loosen up just so you can see where the hair is going to go. Then I rest my shears on my ring finger. And I'm just going to cut into it like this. Okay, we obviously need to go shorter, but that's what I'm showing you guys, is I like to leave a little bit in between so you don't cut them super duper short right off. Because a lot of people will hold the hair down and cut straight across, and then they'll go straight up. I'm sure you've all done that a time or two. Okay, so we're getting there. I'm going to go a little bit shorter. Avery has a lot of hair. Huh? Yeah. That's for sure. All right, we're starting to get to where we want them to be. A little shorter, huh? And you'll obviously want to make sure the hair is parted where it's going to be styled. And like I say, always point cut into your bangs, unless you are wanting like a baby bang that's very straight across. Always want to just kind of chop into this. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is take my texturizing shears, and I'm going to kind of come right in half of that. Okay, and then I'm just going to kind of come in really lightly, go back and forth, or open and shut, open and shut. Now make sure when you're texturizing bangs that you do not go like straight, by the hairline. Definitely don't want to do that. She wants them quite thin. There. They're thinning out there. Good, good, good. You're wanting them a little thinner, do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, so I've done enough texturizing with the texturizing shears. Now what I want to do is bring the shears. You're going to come down. I'm going to come on this side. Sorry, guys. Okay, I'm going to come down, and I'm going to just take little pieces. Okay, so open and shut. Like I'm saying, don't come up into where the hairline is. Kind of go on an angle. angle. That will just piece these out a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to turn her so I can see in the mirror. Is that better? Liking that? Okay, then I'm just going to come down this way. I'm not doing it straight across. What I'm doing is I just shut it a little bit, then I moved over, shut it a little bit, moved over. Sorry, hair on your nose. Okay, so you guys can see right there it's kind of thick. So I'm just coming in, taking a little bit through that area. Okay, now I'll show her again. Okay, now what about your length? Do you want the length a little shorter?
No, I think it's good right here.
Right there? Okay, perfect. Okay, so she thinks that's about right. Okay, so with her growing these out, you can see how this is thin and this is thick. I am going to take my texturizing shears through this thick part just so it will lay nice if it kind of falls on her bang area. Just because Avery has a ton of hair, don't you? Okay, so now I'm just going to take that hair out. See, and you can see how, hang on one second. Okay, so there's your thin ones. I am going to just barely trim these. There you go. Okay, so how that was so thick, you can kind of see how that is blending a little bit better, but yet these are still long so she can grow them, but it blends a lot better than just having that chunk of hair. So anyway, I just kind of wanted to show you that, to where you're growing out certain parts of bangs. Just go ahead and texturize them. Keep them long, but texturize them through the other bang areas. So, okay, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe. You guys are awesome for watching. Thanks. Have a good day.